because you have a bunch of videos that have hit several 100,000, and then with this Twilight won the million, you know? So it's like, what does it take for a video to get past even 1,000 or 10,000 views?
So for like two different reasons, I'd say. The first one is if you're giving people information that they don't know they need. So I did that with the Stream Deck tips. I was like offering information and then giving it immediately, being like, you don't know you need this, but you do. I think like that kind of can work for like tips and things. And then the other videos, I tried to think, what kind of videos do I like to watch? Funny videos and then like story times. So the first video is really a story time. Like it's text to speech, but it's a story time. It's like, hey, I've always wanted to do this, and then I did it. Here's the process, and now I'm here. Like, it took you through a little story, right? So like, I was thinking, in what format would I like to watch this? And I think starting there is like a great idea for TikTok. If you take the videos you already like to watch and then put your own spin on it, like that's what I've tried to do, and they tend to work pretty well. So like those are the two that I kind of go with.
A lot of people think that you need to have like a high production quality and like everything has to be all beautiful and perfect. And like, we don't hear your voice on it because you use the text to speech. And you were filming with your phone onto your screen showing like your art. Like it's literally just like as if you FaceTimed your friend and said, yo, let me show you what I've been up to. You know, it's really like that raw feeling. We just want to see you, man. We just want to hang out with you and see who you are, who you really are, and just see what you got to give, right? I don't need all the fancy 4K cameras and extra, you know, extra, all these crazy things, you know, like let's just hang out like the good old days, you know? And I think that it helps, you know, it helps to just show us what you're about, you know?